everybody, how you doing? Rory here with Carolina Olive Oil Marketplace, and I am heating up the pan right now to try our recipe that everybody raves about when they come in. This is my world's favorite, best, ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. We do this with truffle goat cheese and cook it in truffle olive oil. We spread the inside of the sandwich with a nice generous slathering of butter and our unicorn dust, which is a spice that we blend here in the store. You can buy it online from us if you like. But we are cooking this today on our cranberry walnut sourdough bread. And can we hear that pan start to sizzle? That's the correct temperature. I'll add just a little bit more of my white truffle olive oil to the pan. And we're going to let that cook for a minute or two on each side. Ingredients are so simple: butter, unicorn dust, truffle goat cheese that I've grated very finely like angel hair, and it's done on cranberry walnut bread that we get from a local supplier. So great stuff going on. It does not take long for this to brown. And you'll know you've got it right when you cut into it and you get this satisfying little crunch. It's absolutely amazing. It takes a minute or two on each side and away you go. We're going to serve this today at the store at a special event that we call Sample Saturday here. Every Saturday we do a little tasting here. This happens to be our truffle goat cheese sandwich. We're going to pair that today with some Hess Cabernet Sauvignon. It's out of Napa Valley. We like this one because it's a little bit fruit forward to go with the cranberry and walnut element. If you're wondering about cranberry walnut bread with a grilled cheese sandwich, I want you to think of this. Think of Thanksgiving. Think of cranberries and turkey and spices and garlic and butter and all the great things that go with that and make it absolutely fantastic. That's what happens with this. Now, I usually do this on a swirled rye bread, but with this new line that we have from Hal the Baking Gal and her great products, I decided to try it on cranberry walnut bread instead. All right, let's flip this over and see what it looks like. Wow, can we see how golden brown delicious this is going to be? Oh yeah. Folks, that's really all there is to it. It's just some good bread, some white truffle olive oil, some truffle goat cheese, finely grated, and some unicorn dust. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.